Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation to help you let go of stress and negativity from your day. Come into a seated position. Or if you'd like to lie down, feel free to lie down, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Bring your eyes to close. And in these first few moments, just noticing the position of your body and shifting and adjusting your posture so that you feel truly at ease. You might even want to grab a blanket to wrap around your shoulders or a pillow to sit upon. Take time to prioritize you and your comfort. And this is really the first step of beginning to let go of the stress and the negativity from your day. Is to just reattune to what it is that you need in this moment to feel more at ease, to feel more comfortable, to feel more able to relax. And once you have checked in with yourself, your body, and you've made any necessary adjustments, start to connect with your breath. And you might even bring your hands to rest lightly over your belly and start to breathe a little deeper, letting your belly expand into your hands as you inhale. And feeling your belly relax and release away from your hands as you exhale. And take your time with this. So breathing in slowly, breathing out slowly. Letting your belly take up space. And softening and relaxing through this belly area each time you exhale. Beginning to consciously let go of any stress that you're holding through this area, through your digestive system, through all of the organs in your abdomen, which can actually become quite tense and contracted throughout our day, especially if we're under stress. Especially if we are coming in contact with a lot of negativity or toxicity. Those energies, those experiences flow into us, and we often have difficulty digesting them and processing them. So give yourself really a chance now to connect to your gut. And by deeply breathing into the space of your abdomen, starting to soften and let go of any gripping through this area. And as you're releasing stress from your belly, just notice if you're gripping in the jaw or the mouth. Notice if your shoulders are tense And see if you can feel the breath expanding even through your low back. So you're really touching into all sides of your abdomen, the front, back, the top, the bottom, and both sides. Now we are going to further release the energy of stress, of negativity, tension by working with a very specific breathing technique that's quite simple. So I'll be saying a specific statement, and then we're going to take a deep breath in, imagining the breath lifting and sweeping through our system, collecting any stress, negativity, or tension. And then we're going to just breathe out through an open mouth and imagine that stress, that negativity, that tension releasing through our exhalation, releasing through our mouth. And we're going to visualize it going into a garbage can to symbolize we are releasing it. So it goes like this. I clear now all of the stress that I've accumulated throughout my day. This stress energy is not serving me. In fact, it's bringing me down. So I release and let go of it right here, right now. So just take a nice deep breath in. You might still feel your belly expand, lifting up stress energy from your body, mind, heart, soul, spirit. And then breathe out through an open mouth. And again, just imagine that stress energy leaving your system and moving into a garbage can, symbolizing you are done with it. Let's do a couple more of those clearing statements. The next one goes like this. I clear now any negative energy that I sponged up throughout my day, that I absorbed or took on, that's no longer serving me. I release and let go of this negativity right here, right now. So same thing, you're just going to breathe in. You could imagine you're drawing up any negativity from your body and even from your energy field, from your mind, from your emotional body. And then again, just breathe it out through an open mouth. Imagine it going right into a garbage can that you're visualizing out in front of you. Let go of that negativity. And let's do one more. I clear now tension that I've accumulated in my body, mind, heart, soul, and spirit. Tension that I've taken on throughout the day that is no longer serving me. I release and let go of this tension right here, right now. So again, just breathe in, really lifting tension out of the muscles, out of your body, out of your organs, as well as your mind, tension in your heart, your soul, your spirit. Just breathe in, sweep through your entire being, and then breathe out that tension. Now notice how you feel. We've relaxed and released through the abdomen. We've energetically cleared stress and negativity and tension. And let's take 3 to 5 more cleansing breaths for anything else that you are aware of in this moment. What's left over from your day that is not serving you? Name it, and then take a breath in, sweeping up through your system, accumulating that energy, and then breathe it out and let it go. It could be anxiety, it could be frustration, anything left over from your day that is no longer serving you. Anything you don't wish to take with you into your evening. Take one last deep breath in, lifting up any last little bit of negativity. Breathe it all out, let it go. And then just allow your breath to flow easily in and out through your nose. We just released and let go of negativity. We're going to fill up all of those places that we emptied out with positive energy now. So choose your favorite color, whatever color you'd like, and put that color in a big radiant sun hovering right above you. And allow this sun to begin shining down upon you, bathing you in this beautiful color that you've chosen. And as you're touched by the rays of this sun, let your whole body be filled up with liquid light. Your feet, your lower legs, your knees, hips, and pelvis. Let your belly be drenched in this color. Your heart. Let it flow down your arms into your hands and fingers and thumbs. Let this liquid light move up into your neck. Let it fill up your head and allow it to begin spilling out into the space around you. Be completely embraced by this color, by this light, washing away any last little bit of stress that maybe you missed during the practice, helping you feel peaceful, powerful, and relaxed for the rest of your day. Let's take one more deep breath in, receiving this positive energy, breathing out completely. And then bringing one or both hands to rest right over your chest, sealing in this practice, sealing in this new state of being that you cultivated. Thanks for joining us. Have a beautiful rest of your night.